Okay, hello. Yeah, here is the question for matrix. Then it is written here the matrix. This is the whole matrix is a singular. Find the possible values of x. So what you have to know is that this matrix is a singular. So a singular matrix is a determinant of 0. A singular matrix is a determinant of 0. So find the possible values of x. So what you have to do is that we can to find the value of x, you have to calculate like you are finding for the determinant. So if you are finding for the determinant, you already know that we cross multiply this one and this one, then we subtract, we put a negative sign, then we multiply this into this, it will be equal to 0. Let me do it right here. So it's x times this whole thing in bracket, that is x plus 2, then I'll put my negative sign, then I say 6 times 4, which is equal to 0. Since it is a singular matrix, so the determinant of that matrix will be equal to 0, like this. Put in my 0, then I break the bracket here. X squared plus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. Then we are here. I want to now it's a quadratic equation. So in a quadratic equation, then we can get two answers. We possibly get two answers. So I want to find for the two values that if I add them, if I multiply them, I can get minus 24x squared. But if I add them, I'll get 2x. These two values are minus 4x and 6x. If I multiply 6x and minus 4x, I can get minus 24x squared. If I add minus 4x plus 6x, I can get 2x here. So I'm going to work out my equation now. X squared minus 4x plus 6x minus 24 equal to 0. Then I'll factor out x here. X minus 4 plus here I'll factor out 6 x minus 4 equal to 0, as you can see here. So it's now x plus 6 and x plus 4 and x minus 4, I mean, sorry, x plus 6 and x minus 4 equal to 0. Then I'll check one bracket, x plus 6 equal to 0, or in this one bracket x minus 4 equal to 0. Then x equal to 6 or x equal to 4, it's a negative 6 here, like it is like this, x equal to minus 6 or x equals to 4. That's how you do when you're dealing with a singular matrix. If they say that find the possible values of x, if a matrix is a singular matrix, you have to work it out like you are finding the determinant, but you equate it all that to 0. These are the two values of x. Thank you guys.